It's good people, welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Big Dre. Now, as you don't know, I am a footballer, but my channel is all about crypto, the metaverse, NFTs, it's basically helping you lot make some money online. Now, unfortunately, I'm not wearing a shirt today, but I think you lot agree. I'm still looking suave, you know what I mean? I'm still looking smart enough to do this video. Now, guys, today's video is going to be about XRP, as we all know, one of my favorite coins. It's not my number one coin, but it's one of my favorite coins. So before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so you know whenever I release a new video. Now guys, the legal aspect, as always, you have to get into it. This is not financial advice. Man's not a financial advisor. You can lose all your money. You can make a lot of money. Anything's possible in the world of crypto. Now make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and don't skip parts out, as it will be interesting. I can never get my finger in the right. I need to start doing it from this side, don't I? It will be interesting. It will be entertaining. And you will learn something new. So guys, XRP, we got a big update today, yeah? But before we get into that, let's have a look at Bitcoin. As we know, a lot of things been going on with Bitcoin. So I've got the trading view here. Yeah, the trading chart open, just to show you what's been going on. Now, this is the daily candles. Yeah, so let me just zoom it in a little bit for you lot to have a look. Yeah. So if we see, so roughly since about November last year, Bitcoin's been on a pretty much downward trend. Now look, we dropped all the way down to that point here, which is roughly about 34 grand USD. Now what we're seeing, the price is actually steadily gaining. Now look, we have dropped again, but as you look, if you look here, from here to here, it's a different price. So I'm going to explain why this is important in a second. Yeah, I'm going to explain in a second why this is important. So we dropped, it's actually less than that, but I need to correct it. But anyway, so we dropped from here to here. That's the lowest point. That's actually the lowest point. It's a little bit off, but it's alright. Now this is where we are currently. Yeah, just so you lot can have a look. Now, what is going on there, mate? But anyway, just so you can see, steadily, the price of Bitcoin is actually moving up. So now, of course, anything can happen. External factors are affecting our market at the moment. Ukraine, Russia, affects the supply chains. Loads of things are happening right now. But now, let me explain why this is important to XRP. Now, as we know, earlier on today, today is actually the 11th of March 2022. A lot of Bitcoin has been moved from Coinbase onto external wallets. Now, why this is important? So if we have a look at FX Street, this is an article they published, I believe, maybe 2 days ago. But if you're wondering what is the importance of this, why is this something that we need to talk about? So let's have a little dive in, let's have a little read. So the payment giant, aka XRP, is closer to winning the case with the SEC. Now, this is John Deaton. John Deaton is actually the attorney for the XRP, for the XRP army. He's the attorney, and he believes that there's no settlement in the SEC versus SRP case within the next month, right? So of course it's going to get dragged out. I did see another article saying it's going to be going on, but they expect it to be finished before the 8th of November, right? So it's not going to end early. Now, if we look at this is the important part now. XRP buyers are accumulating the altcoin, moving coins off the exchange to private wallets. Yeah, they're taking their coins from Binance, from Coinbase, from Uphold, and they're putting them into external wallets, private wallets. If you're wondering what sense does that make? So they're not actually selling their coins. Yeah, this is why it's important to note, because these people that took a lot of Bitcoin, I think it's just over $1 billion, it's like 1.2 billion or something like that. Bitcoin was moved. Anyway, so why it's important is because they're not actually selling the assets. Yeah, they're not selling their crypto. they're just moving it to external wallets, which means they're anticipating there will be some sort of accumulation in price. History always repeats itself, guys. That's why I'm showing you you guys a chart. You say history always repeats itself. Now, so recently, 55 million USD XRP was moved to an external unknown wallet. So now, despite the slow start to March, the altcoin quickly recovered. And so at the moment, it boosts about 5%. Gains overnight. It's up and down because obviously crypto is very, very volatile. Now, the SEC's commission fueled a lot of investors' optimism. As higher volumes of XRP moves through the corridor, it fuels the utility and the adoption of the altcoin. It's big. So at the moment, at that point, it was about 80 cents. Now, if I show you guys another article, as I told you that before, the reason why XRP is so important is because this has never happened before. This is the first one. So whatever happens in this case is going to set the precedence for everything else. Right? As it says here. So this is from CoinDesk. This tiny blockchain startup tangle with the SEC could end up as a landmark case. So whether LBRY's token are deemed securities, it could set an even bigger precedence for XRP Ripple's higher profile SEC. So as we know, the case has been going on for quite a while. SEC keep pushing it back. Things keep coming out in favor of us, in favor of XRP Army, and they keep pushing it back. But this is what happens. They haven't got a leg to stand on, so they're going to keep pushing it back. Right, so let's keep scrolling down and have a look at this. So LBRY, this is a blockchain-based file sharing payment network. It's similar sort of thing to XRP. XRP is, they say it's centralized, although all the companies that are partnered with XRP, or I should say that are partnered with RippleNet or Ripple Inc. actually, they do not need XRP in order to move money on the platform. So I don't see how that could be centralized, how it could be a security, but I let the courts decide that one. But anyway, this is very, very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. I still say XRP is going to be big. You guys see my TikTok saying that it's going to be 1,000 a coin. Probably won't happen this year. This year probably, if we have a good run, maybe we can hit $4. Maybe, but we'll see. As things go on, I'll let you know what I think. Anyway, guys, been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't worry, there'll be more videos coming. They will be edited, but I just thought I'd throw this one out for you lot so you don't complain at me as always. Anyway, it's in the sauce. Just buy the dip.